HT300 inspection equipment meets the customer's various motion requirements for workpiece detection, equipped with 1/3 LTV high-resolution light tube. 3D CT software can be configured according to customer requirements, used to detect PCB board, SMT assembly, IC packaging, BGA, CSP, semiconductor and other electronic components welding defects. Detection of strong penetrating ray source, high-definition FPD, meets the general detection requirements. High-definition navigation images, fast and accurate positioning products. 360-degree horizontal rotation of the stage, 6-axis linkage. Achieve all aspects of position control detection, high resolution. The minimum detection of 2-micron defect software, BGA cavity ratio, size, area, angle, curvature, and other detection tools, with HD or image enhancement function. HT300 test equipment uses lead steel protective structure, lead steel glass safety shielding type, satisfied with international safety radiation standards.